Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can install and set up Camstudio on your Windows 10. First of all, go to google.com and type Camstudio, and here click on the first link, and after that you will reach to the official website of Camstudio. Now click on download Camstudio and your download will start in a moment. And here just select the desired location where you want to save the setup and click on save. But in my case I want to use the default location, so I click cancel and click on start download, and it will download in a moment. And now just click on open, and here installation wizard is open. Just click on next and then click on accept, and here you click on decline because we are not going to install the third-party software. So setup is downloading and now installing on your PC, and now just click on finish, and Camstudio is successfully installed on your PC and it's open. So here you see we have a lot of codecs here, and a lot of codecs are showing, but we are going to use, I want to share a codec that is best, that has minimum file size with maximum quality. So go to Camstudio website and scroll down a bit and click on this Camstudio lossless codec optional. Just click on download, and here it will take a moment and your download will start. Click on start download. It's not installing. Just you first of all you have to close the Camstudio. After that just open Camstudio. So here you see when you go to options, video options, and then here you will see on the compressor you have a Camstudio lossless codec is installed. If you want to configure it, just click on the configure button and make the desired changes that you want to change. And here there is a lot of things like quality, frame rates, and auto adjust, and a lot of features here. If you want to change it, it's up to you. Otherwise you just go with the default in order to get the maximum quality and minimum file size. Now go to option and go to program options, and then go to this thread recording thread priority. You must have to set it to the highest in order to gain the smooth result, smooth recording from this Camstudio software. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.